Hi all, welcome to Tech is Knowledge, and as part of Python basic series, today we will discuss one more built-in data type in Python, which is a set. Set is basically to use it to store collections of data, and set is an unordered collection data type. Okay, and that it is iterable and mutable, and the elements are not a duplicate elements. Whatever we are storing into the set is not a duplicate one. It will maintain the only unique values into that. And since sets are unordered and we can't access the items, right, by using the index value of the particular element, we can't fetch the values. Okay, so basically set is a, again we will be using to store the data, and it's a not ordered one, and right, it's not ordered, and it's a mutable. Okay, and we can't fetch the elements through using the index because it's not a ordered one. Okay, let's see how we can create the set, empty set. And set is basically, we'll set values will be in the curly braces. Okay, and let's try and create set. Okay, if we create like this, okay, a equal to empty set, because set will take the empty raise curly braces, then we will be assuming like, okay, this is the creation of empty set. But if we are not given any values within the curly braces, then by default it will consider as a dictionary. Okay, it will not consider as a set. Okay, so let's see. So to check any variable, what is the data type, we have a type function, right? So just use that one and see what is the data type here. uh, a is now it is showing as a dictionary, because by default if we are not given any values in the curly braces, then it will consider as a dictionary. Okay, to create empty dictionary, always we should use the externally, we should specify it, it's a set. Okay, like this. If we give only curly braces, then it will consider as a dictionary, and empty, if it's only for the empty set actually. Okay, if some values are there, then it will consider as a set. Okay, so to create empty set, always we should create like this. We should give the set externally the name, okay, and then give the curly braces inside the parenthesis. Okay, then it will consider as an empty set. Okay, let's take the set with values. Okay, so right, we are giving some values now, and see what is the data type of this now. See, it is considered as a set because we are given the values, and based on the values it will be taken. Okay, it's a set or a dictionary, it will differentiate it. Okay, so this is the way how we can create the set, and let's add the value into the set. Okay, we have a inbuilt function which we to add the elements into the set. Okay, so I'm trying to add the element to the set a. Okay, so let's print the set. Okay, 4. And if you want to add the values through iteration, right, so then we can use this way. So range, basically it will generate the sequence of values, right? Whatever the number we are given, it will generate the sequence of values from 0 index till n minus 1. Whatever the number we are given, minus 1 till that, it will generate the sequence of numbers. Okay, so directly we can add them here, and try to add. Print of a. See here, it is stored as from 0 to 9, because it's a sequence of values will generated by range function, and we are given value is 10, so it will generate till 9, because the range will be always at the minus 1. Okay, n minus 1, so that's why. Okay, if it is value is 10, then it will go till the ninth index only. But if you observe here, before we iterate the values, right, here already 4 was there in the set, a set, but here only one time is there, because set will always maintain the unique values, it will not maintain the duplicate values. Okay, So that is the one, and how we can add the elements. And union is like, if we have the two different sets and if we want to combine those both the set values and generate a new set and all, then we will go for the union. Okay, so now I am trying to create C set from right, so union of B. So now I am trying to add both A set and B set and then trying to create the new set. See here, create the see here, all the both the values, both the values from A and B, that to unique values only is copied to the C set. Okay, so that is the union. It will combine both the values and it will generate the new set. And intersection is like, see here, union is this one. So it will consider both the values from A and B set and then it will generate the values. Okay, so basically it's a concatenation of both the sets. Okay, next one is intersection, right? So intersection is like, what are the common values are there from A set and B set, and those values only it will take and then generate the result. Okay, so here common values from A set is 4 and 5, B also is a 4 and 5 is a common. Okay, both the sets, so it will generate the take only those common values and then generate the response. So that is the intersection, right? So if we take the D here and A dot intersection of C, not C, B, okay, so and C, let's print the D set. See here, which is a common, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there, and whenever we generate the range of numbers, sequence of numbers, it will generate 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So these numbers are common between the A and B sets, that's why. So the response is also the common numbers between these two sets. Okay, so that's the intersection here. And even we can use it like a, here it is there, right? Okay, so this is the intersection. It is like a, if we consider as operators, right, operators, then it will be like a and operator. So both are common. If it is there in the A and B, then only give that response. And basically union is like a R, if we consider as R. Okay, and one more is what, intersection and difference. Difference is a like a it's a it's like a subtraction from A set to B set. Okay, let's take a mathematical example. See here, it will be A minus B. This operator is a difference we are taking. What are the elements? It will completely remove B elements and take the not common elements from A. Okay, so here it is considering only the A elements and it's not considering the elements which is common with the B, right? So this means it's avoiding completely all the B set elements and then it is only giving the A set elements which are unique in the unique. Okay, so here A dot difference of C, okay, and B, and then print off. See here, these are the common, okay, both the sets, and these are the A set only is having these elements. Okay, so that's the difference. These are the elements are there in only in A set, not in the B set. Okay, so this is the response, and these are the elements are the common elements between A and B. Okay, so that's the intersection here. So that's the one. And how we can remove the specific value here? See, if I want to remove print of okay, let's remove first E dot remove of like from E, what is there? So 9 is there, so let's remove 9. So here it's not, we are not deleting based on the index, we are removing based on the value only, which value we want to remove it. So we are directly giving that value so that it will get removed, right? It will delete from the the particular set. See here, we are given the ninth value to remove it, and then it is removed from set E, and then given the response for the with the remaining elements. Okay. So that's how we can remove the value from set, and always the remove it will not means it based on the value only, not based on the index here in the set. Okay, so how we can remove the specific value, and this is like how we can clear the complete set values. Okay, so if we take it E dot clear, it will get removed all the values from the E set. Okay, see here it's empty set, it is returning empty set because first it was there the 4 values in the set E, and we try to delete the ninth value. Okay, ninth value from set E, and the next we tried to remove complete all the values from set E, so that's why it is returning as empty set. Okay, so this is the what it basically right about the set, how we can create the set, and then some set of functions here related with the set. And thank you for watching, right, and we will keep adding the remaining things, and please do subscribe to Techies Knowledge channel. Thank you guys.